Ever felt a little lost when trying to book a salon appointment or explain what you want done in Kuwaiti Arabic? Grab a notebook and some paper and carve out about 5 minutes of your time for this video. We're going to cover essential salon-related phrases to help you with booking and getting your hair done. Let's make your next salon visit way more interesting. And before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're learning Kuwaiti Arabic or want to feel more confident in everyday life in Kuwait, this channel focuses on practical tips and insights for real-life experiences. All right, let's jump in. Now let's go over some essential phrases for booking your appointment. Whether you're calling ahead or booking in person, these phrases will make the process so much more smoother. When you call, you'll likely hear someone start by saying,
ألو، شلون أقدر أساعدك؟
which means, hello, how can I help you? You can first say,
تكلمي شوي شوي. أنا أعرف عربي شوية.
which means speak slowly. I know a little Arabic. Then you can say,
أبي موعد please.
I'd like to schedule an appointment, please. Simple and clear. Next, you might want to ask,
متى أقرب موعد؟
or when is your next available appointment? This is perfect for finding the earliest slot. If you're after a specific service, you can say,
عندكم موعد حق؟
which means, do you have any openings for? And then you would add the specific service that you would like, such as, for a haircut, you would say,
قصة.
for hairstyling,
تسريحة.
for hair color.
صبغ شعر.
But if you'd like to say to dye my hair, you would say,
أصبغ شعري.
for an updo,
كبة.
manicure,
مانيكير.
pedicure.
بديكير.
Don't forget to ask,
شنو الأيام والأوقات المتوفرة؟
what days and times do you have available? This ensures you're clear on all of your options. And yes, of course, you can ask about time slots in English too. If you have a preference for a certain day or time, say,
أفضل موعد الصبح، الظهر، العصر، بالليل.
I prefer morning, afternoon, or evening appointment. And if you need to cancel or reschedule, you can easily say,
أبي أكنسل موعدي.
I need to cancel my appointment. Or,
أبي أغير موعدي.
I need to reschedule my appointment. Now, let's cover some other useful phrases for services. You can start with,
أبي أسوي.
which means I want to do. This is a great phrase to use even when you're not sure of the name of the service. You can just point to what you need and say, أبي أسوي, and then point to your lip and say, شنو يعني, and they will probably fill you in. Or you can say, I want to thread my upper lip and chin like this.
أبي حف الشفة العلوية والحنج.
If you'd like your entire face threaded, you can say,
أبي أسوي وجهي كله, means my whole face, or وجه كامل.
And if you want to change the length, you can say,
أبي شوي أقصر, shorter, longer, أطول.
and when you're getting your hair cut, you can say,
أبي قص أطراف.
if you're just getting a trim. Now, when you're done with your appointment, it's time to pay. To ask about the total, you can say,
كم المجموع or كم كله.
saying cash or KNet works just fine in English, but if you want a receipt, you can say,
أبي الفاتورة please.
which means, I want a receipt, please. Now you're ready to make your next salon appointment in Kuwaiti Arabic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more practical Kuwaiti Arabic language tips and insights to help you better connect and assimilate into Kuwaiti culture. And if you're ready to dedicate time to learning Kuwaiti Arabic on a deeper level with support like nothing else out there, check out our program, Kuwaiti Simplified. The link is in the description. If you have any specific requests on words or phrases you'd like to learn, feel free to comment down below. Ma salama and happy practicing.